Are you trying to become a planning engineer and want to join oil and gas industry? This is the right video in which you are going to get enough knowledge that you will become a planning engineer. Because within this video, I'm going to explain about oil and gas industry projects overall and their basic criteria, how to understand their work breakdown structure, thumb rule, and philosophy. So, well, my name is Engineer Vakas Ahmed, and I'm the coach for project management, project planning control with Primavera P6. And I receive many messages and many comments under these kind of YouTube videos where people express their thoughts that we need such kind of guidelines. That's why I'm shooting this video right now. And stay there till the end of this video, because by the end of this video, I'm also sharing with you one surprise bonus, like 3 steps to join oil and gas industry. But before than that, I request you people to subscribe this channel so that in future, if I make any kind of video, you get that link on time. So let's first start with understanding any random oil and gas projects, offshore industry projects, onshore. And let me clear one thing. It is not only limited to those people who are only working in oil and gas, civil engineers, electrical, mechanical, chemical, industrial, any person who is belongs to such kind of disciplines. Either they are freshers, mid-career level engineers, or experienced ones, they will get a lot of help out of this video, right? So let's start. I'm going to share this dashboard right now. You can see this structure, and if I explain this structure, these branches, this hierarchy, you can see clearly there is written level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3, and further moving downward you can find here level 4. First of all, you have to build this concept. What are these levels? Let me share with you people with level 0. When your project is at proposal stage, like you want to launch some pipeline construction project, some production plant project, right? So that would be a project level or 0 level, right? So that is why we call it 0 level. There is a unit level information is available, like you have pipeline project, 1 year is assigned for that project, and maybe $1 million is assigned as in terms of cost. But when we talk about level 1, so let me zoom it so that you can clearly watch it. And here we are. See, at level 1, our team is gonna work, and that pipeline project will be splitted down into the milestone deliverable, into preliminaries, into engineering phase, procurement, and then further on construction, as built, and final documentation. We are going to talk about within this level 1, when the team is around us, designers are there, finance experts are there, right? Contract managers are there. So higher level, level 1, which will be compiled at feasibility level when business value will be calculated. So this level 1 WBS will be introduced, which is milestones, preliminaries, engineering, procurement, construction, and as built. And when we are ready with that, feasibility project is ready to go, and we will get into feed, front end engineering design. So somehow level 2 will be introduced, and within this level 2 you can see how this further level of work breakdown structure will be introduced, like within preliminaries or before than that. If you talk about milestones, all those milestones will be like list of activities, project start milestone, project finish milestones, design, procurement, and the contractual milestones. The activities will be given there, the preferences, how this project will be executed, right? The constraints. But within preliminaries, we are going to define our preliminaries into the further level, which is called project documents. There are multiple levels of project documents. You have different material data sheets, you have contractual documents, and then QAQC documents, planning documents, HSE documents, construction documents. In within that, you can see construction methodologies for piping, fabrication, boundary lines, structures, and many other things. So preliminaries are broken down into level 2 with these kind of WBS. And engineering level will be further broken down into company, and from company to the contractor level. Procurement, contractor procurement, the items which will be procured by contractor, and subcontracting. And then you can see at the construction level, onshore works. If I talk about oil and gas projects, there are the projects which will be executed on land area, to which we call onshore, and other things which will be executed on water area or sea area, that would be called as offshore. But here it is splitted with respect to onshore and site work. Site means the area where that complete project is being executed or installed, right? So, as built, when project will be completed, where we are going to collect all those documentations and project closeout, reporting, final handing over, and taking over. So, this is our level two project WBS. So, this level two will be at the level of feed. If I talk about feed, there are many videos I have already, uploaded on my this channel, and you can just click the link above on my head right now, and you can watch a front end engineering design detailed video, right? So when the project is awarded, if I talk about specifically oil and gas project EPC framework, so after level 2, now the contractor will be hired. Now this contractor will be defining level 3 WBS, to which we are like engineering phase, right? Within this engineering phase, the designing will be further into the next level, like general drawings, process drawings, piping and mechanical drawings, instrumentational drawings, structural drawings, and electrical drawings. But along with that, I should share with you people here Primavera P6 that how it looks like. This is my project milestones, and if I can take you within WBS, this is my preliminaries. This is my, you can see under preliminaries, there are project document deliverable registers. This is my engineering phase. If I can get into view, and here we can collapse to level 2 at this moment. You can see preliminaries, engineering phase, procurement phase, and construction phase. And I could not add as built. You can add that one as well. And if I can get into view, this is Primavera P6 Project Management Information System. By the way, this is the most demanded tool within Gulf region for oil and gas industry, for construction industry. If you are one of the civil engineer, electrical, mechanical, chemical, industrial, you must go to learn this skill set, because this learning of this skill set, this tool is going to get you many job opportunities out there in oil and gas industry. This is a big advantage. And moreover, if you want to learn basically from for Primavera P6 for oil and gas industry, for construction industry, you can just visit this video details there. I have given all those links, right? So don't miss that extra bonus from my side. So you can see that further, if we are going to move the next level PDDR engineering phase, the way it is given over here, right, within this document. So this document we have to take into Primavera P6 as per their hierarchy. There are levels. We can, enhance them. We can decrease them as per our requirement. And if I can get back again into view, expand all. So all this WBS we have to take into Primavera P6. So here you can see that this level 2 will be further subdivided into these general process piping, and meanwhile the procurement will be further divided, which is responsibility for main contractor procurement will be early shutdown material and non-shutdown material, right? And shutdown means this is oil and gas project where we are actually taking this consideration that new item modification is required, as well as the old or brown or maintenance kind of work is also going on. So it's a mix and match, right? So that is why there is shutdown material, non-shutdown material, and the responsibility by subcontracting company is going to engineering subcontractor, NDT subcontractor, because they are going to hire. I hope this is EPCM framework where they are going to hire subcontractors and hard taping subcontractor, switchgear, insulation subcontractor, right? So these WBS will be further subdivided with these work packages at level 3. And then you can see that construction, which is assigned as an onshore work, will be further divided into early shutdown prefabrication works, right? And non-shutdown prefabrication works, right? Like if you need something only for the maintenance, you need piping, so that would come under shutdown. And that shutdown fabrication work will be executed in workshop area. And this non-shutdown means piping is still there, like you need same tanks, but one is required for maintenance and other one is required for the modification, something like that. And then site work will further divide it into shutdown for early piping tie-ins like welding and all that, heater installations. This is your site work. Heater installation, shutdown for existing heater panel, post shutdown and work, demolition of existing heater, punch point close, and so on. See, this is our level 3. And what is about level 4? Level 3 is going to give you the logic, the critical path method. But level 4 is going to explain all the procedure, what kind of activities should be there. If I share with you Primavera P6 dashboard right now, this is your, let me share with you over here. So this was your level 3. This was your level 3, right? There is only availability of different kind of WBS within Primavera P6. This is your level 3. You got it? And if you like and want this same XZR file of Primavera P6, please write there in the comment section area, because writing up in comment section area like Primavera P6 project file, my team is going to approach you and they will manage to hand over this XZR file to you people, right? So as much as you can write their Primavera P6 XZR file, this is going to encourage me as well. So here we are. This is our level 3. But when I'm going to expand it all, let me share with you. We have to go into, okay, group and sort by. And this is a feature. Now, adding up all these activities, like how I'm gonna make construction methodology, this documentation completed, this required this process to be executed. So this will serve as a list of activities for me. So on, you can see moving onward. And I would recommend this thing. See, layout and marking, these are the activities. Level 4 is to add up all these activities. Then there is one more level, like when this level 4 is achieved, some school of thought saying that adding up these activities within work packages or WBS is level 3, and level 4 is adding up resources within these activities, to which I will be disclosing over here. See, here you are going to add up how many resources you will be requiring to perform this activity, right? In this 9 days, how many hours. So this is level 5. There are two things, but you have to stick to the concept. So again, I'll be sharing that. So now we have to understand this complete structure of WBS, and apart from it, we have to understand as a planning engineer, if you want to switch your job career, these are the important things you have to understand for Gulf region. 99% people fail their job interviews. Why? Because they don't pay attention to such kind of documentation framework, how the industry is working there. They are using such kind what kind of documents, templates. They are only going to focus on Primavera P6. Primavera P6 is okay, but you have to understand Gulf region based working and all that. So this sheet I'm going to share with you, the same WBS. This is our PMS, progress measurement system. So preliminaries 3%, 8%, 40%. This is their relative percentage, and we call it a weightage. And this relative percentage has been allocated either on the basis of man hours or cost. This is level 1. Then your WBS level 2 percentage would be called as level 2 percentage or weightage. Level 3 WBS percentage will be respectively called, level 3 weightage, and so on. See, at every single level, it should be giving you 100%, 100%. And if the values are lesser or more, it means there is some error. On the basis of this sheet, we are going to calculate or track our project. So I hope you got this fully as per Gulf region understanding. And if you enjoyed it, just like it, subscribe the channel and share this link with your fellows. And now I'm going to share with you the 3 important tips to join oil and gas industry as a planning engineer. The first one, you have to understand not only Primavera P6, add 2 more skills like project management, the understanding of time management, cost management, resource management. And the second most important thing is contract, how you have to interpret contract, the clauses, the different kind of things. And the second most important thing, LinkedIn networking, very important. You will find many guideline oriented videos within this video details, right? There I have given the links which will help you how to optimize your own LinkedIn profile professionally and how to make your networking. And number 3, I would like to invite you people in my upcoming live free masterclass in which I'm gonna interact with you people. I will be answering your questions and you will enjoy it. That is my guarantee. See you in my upcoming live free masterclass. And before that, I just want to make sure that you have already write in the comment section area Primavera P6 XZR file so that you take this Primavera P6 XZR file as well as other Excel templates. See you in my next video.